Welcome everybody, Ty Gaston here, Friday, July 30th with your free video play of the day. I want to thank everybody. Yesterday I was offline because of surgery that I had. I had a tumor removed on my face. It was benign, and I want to thank everybody for all the cheerful thoughts and best wishes and prayers, etc., etc. Let's get back on track. Last time we were online, Wednesday, Minnesota was a huge winner for us. As a free video play of the day, we are now 26-6. 26-6 in the free video plays of the day. All right, let's go to your free video play of the day today. It features the New York Yankees and the Tampa Bay Devil Rays. Hughes is on the mound for the Yankees. Davis is on the mound for Tampa. Now, the last 11 meetings, this game between these two teams, Yankees and Tampa, has gone over, including the last 9 in a row. The last 9 in a row in this series have gone over the total, so we're going to go over the total as your free video play of the day between the Yankees and Tampa Bay Rays. Over the total is your free video play of the day. Now I want to let everybody know that the VIP Club is on special once again, $795 for the entire season of the NFL, NFL preseason, NFL playoffs, and NFL Super Bowl. It also gives you all the college football games, all the college bowl games and the college football championship, as well as all the rest of Major League Baseball. It's a $200 savings today, $795. Pick up the phone, give me a call, 877-411-1707. That's 877-411-1707. Let's take a look at stats and trends for Friday, July 30th. Philadelphia has won 8 straight games. They take on Washington, and Philadelphia is also 10-1 their last 11 games as a favorite. Atlanta's taken on Cincinnati. Atlanta is 3-9 their last 12 against Cincinnati, but Atlanta is 11-1 the last 12 when Medlin starts. Arizona's 7-1 the last 8 meetings against the Mets. St. Louis is 12-0 the last 12 Carpenter starts against Pittsburgh. Carpenter starts today against Pittsburgh. He's a huge monster favorite at $3. Cubs take on Colorado. Colorado's 1-8 the last 9 overall. Chicago's batting .333 against lefties. The lefty Francis goes for Colorado today. Florida Marlins take on San Diego. San Diego is 8-1 the last 9 home games. San Diego's also 5-0 the last 5 against Florida. Dodgers take on the Giants. San Francisco 9-2 their last 11 games as a favorite. And the Dodgers are batting just .183 against right-handed pitching. Cleveland takes on Toronto. 7-1 the last 8 have gone under when in Cleveland games, and Cleveland is also 4-0 the last 4 meetings. Detroit Tigers take on Boston. Detroit's 3-13 their last 16 games overall. Yankees take on Tampa Bay. We already talked about that. Baltimore takes on Kansas City. Kansas City 3-14 their last 17 games overall. Baltimore is 4-1 the last 5 meetings. Oakland takes on the White Sox. Chicago White Sox have won 4 in a row. Texas takes on the Angels. Texas is 9-2 the last 11 as an underdog. And Seattle and Minnesota play each other. Seattle is 0-3 their last 3 games overall. The last 7 meetings have gone 6-1 on the under. But Seattle is 3-0 the last 3 meetings. But Minnesota's won 5 straight overall. So Seattle's 0-3, Minnesota's 5-0. That should do our stats and trends for Friday. Don't forget your free video play of the day today is Yankees and Tampa Bay over the total. And don't forget, give me a call. The VIP's on special for the NFL Early Bird Football. Just $795. Save $200 today by coming on board. Call me direct. 877-411-1707. That's 877-411-1707. Or you can email me at magiccostarica@AOL.com. We'll be back on Saturday for your next report. Check you then.